English to Spanish. Where is? Learn.
¿Dónde está?
Fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, grab your map and your sense of humor. Let's dive in. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Picture this. You land in a new city, your feet say snack time, your brain says lost time. The magic phrase that saves the day is in Spanish.
¿Dónde está?
It means, where is? We'll make it fun, fast, and foolproof, so even if your map runs away, you'll still find the donut shop. Your learning goal today. By the end, you can confidently ask locals for places and actually understand the answers. Goal. Master.
¿Dónde está?
And useful nouns like
El baño, la estación, el museo, el banco, la oficina, el hotel.
plus the plural.
¿Dónde están?
For more than one thing. Bonus. Direction words like
A la izquierda,
and.
a la derecha.
Sound it out. Warm up your tongue, quick and clear wins the day. Repeat after me.
¿Dónde está?
Bathroom.
El baño. ¿Dónde está? El baño.
Station.
La estación. ¿Dónde está? La estación.
Museum.
El museo. ¿Dónde está? El museo.
Bank.
El banco. ¿Dónde está? El banco.
Office.
La oficina. ¿Dónde está? La oficina.
Hotel.
El hotel. ¿Dónde está? El hotel.
Mini dialogues in the wild. Try these quick exchanges. Imagine you on the street, friendly smile, brave heart. You, excuse me.
¿Dónde está? El baño.
Local.
Siga recto y gire a la izquierda.
Go straight and turn left. Tourist mode. You.
¿Dónde está? El museo.
Local.
Está a la derecha, a 2 cuadras.
It's on the right, 2 blocks. On the phone. You. Hi.
¿Dónde está? Tu oficina.
Friend.
Frente al banco, al lado del hotel.
In front of the bank, next to the hotel. Singular or plural? Tiny grammar power up. This will save you in a crowded hallway. Singular.
¿Dónde está?
Plus one place. Example.
¿Dónde está? La estación.
Plural.
¿Dónde están?
Plus more than one. Example. Where are the bathrooms?
¿Dónde están? Los baños.
Bonus tip. Don't mix up.
Estoy.
I am, with.
Está.
Is. If you ask.
¿Dónde estoy?
You're asking, where am I? Which is fine if you truly have no idea. Direction toolkit. These are the words you'll hear right after you ask the magic question.
A la izquierda.
Equals to the left.
A la derecha.
Equals to the right.
Siga recto.
Equals go straight.
Gire.
Equals turn.
A 2 cuadras.
Equals 2 blocks away. Full line to catch.
Siga recto y gire a la izquierda.
Go straight and turn left. Memory hooks. Lock it in with rhythm, gesture, and a silly image, you'll remember it faster. Rhyme. If you stray, do not delay, just ask.
¿Dónde está?
Right away. Gesture. Shrug, palms up, eyebrows up, then say.
¿Dónde está?
Silly image. A walking map sprints off, you chase it yelling.
¿Dónde está?
While it hides in your pocket. Quick quiz. You've got this. Answer out loud, then check yourself. Q1. How do you ask in Spanish, where is? A.
¿Dónde está?
Q2. Say, where are the bathrooms? A.
¿Dónde están los baños?
Q3. You need money. Ask, where is the bank? A.
¿Dónde está el banco?
Q4. After directions you hear.
A la derecha.
Which way? A. To the right. Q5. True or false?
Estoy.
Means the same as.
Está.
A. False. Culture tip, polite and practical. A smile plus a clear question works wonders. In Madrid's metro or a tiny village, a friendly greeting and a soft ask go far. Perdón, or, disculpa, then.
¿Dónde está?
Add, por favor, at the end.
¿Dónde está el hotel?
Por favor. People often point and say things like,
A la izquierda.
or,
A la derecha.
now you'll get it. 30-second challenge. Ready? Rapid fire practice. Say each out loud. Ask for the station.
¿Dónde está la estación?
Ask for the museum.
¿Dónde está el museo?
Ask for the office.
¿Dónde está la oficina?
Ask for the bank.
¿Dónde está el banco?
Ask for the hotel.
¿Dónde está el hotel?
Plural bonus. Where are the bathrooms?
¿Dónde están los baños?
Goodbye and next steps. Nice work, your travel Spanish just leveled up. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
¿Dónde está
With places like,
el baño? La estación.
and
El museo.
you'll never feel lost again. For more bite-sized lessons, dialogues, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Hasta la próxima.